9 Ways to fix iOS 15 not updating on your iPhone. Check device compatibility. If your iPhone model is iPhone 6s or newer, there should be no issues. But if you have an iPhone 6 or older, you won't be able to install the new iOS 15 update. To check your iPhone model, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to General Settings and tap on About. Next to Model Name, you'll see your iPhone's model. Charge your iPhone. Your iPhones need to have no less than 50% of the battery to download and install an update. Plug your iPhone to charge if the battery is lower than 50%. When the battery is more than 50%, try to install the update. Restart the internet connection. On iPhones with Face ID, swipe down from the top right corner. On iPhones with a home button, swipe up from the middle bottom. Locate the Wi-Fi icon and tap on it to temporarily disable it. Wait for a few seconds, and tap on the Wi-Fi icon to turn it on. Clear storage space. Go to your iPhone settings. Then go to General Settings. Tap on iPhone Storage. Wait while iPhone calculates your storage space. If it's almost full, clear out unnecessary data. Force quit the Settings app. On iPhones with Face ID, swipe up from the middle bottom. On iPhones with a home button, double press it. Locate the Settings app window and swipe up on it to close. After a few seconds, reopen the Settings app and check if you can now update to iOS 15. Restart iPhone. You should also restart your iPhone. A restart will eliminate any minor bugs and glitches that could have occurred in the operating system during the session. Most of the time, a simple restart helps to solve the problem. Reset network settings. Go to your iPhone settings. Tap on General, scroll to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and select Reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode, confirm the action. Delete the update file and restart iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to General Settings. Tap on iPhone Storage. Locate the update file and tap on it. Then tap on Delete Update and confirm the action. Now, restart your iPhone. When the device boots, download the update again. Update iPhone using Finder, iTunes. Connect your iPhone to Mac or a PC with a cable. In the Finder window, click on your device name. In iTunes, click on the phone icon. From the General tab in Finder or the Summary tab in iTunes, click on Update or Check for Update. If an update is found, click on Download and Install. Hopefully, this video provided the information you were looking for. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. The Disk Cleaner option will scan your computer for app caches, logs, downloaded files, and files still sitting in the trash. It will also show you how much space what files take up on your Mac. Combo Cleaner will also help you look through all big files on your Mac and delete those you don't need. You can also scan Mac for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel